You know what's wild? The Dr. Groot Thickening Shampoo and Scalp Treatment Set has been blowing up online, with influencers calling it the secret weapon for thicker, stronger hair in just weeks. But is it really a breakthrough or just another overhyped product wrapped in glossy marketing? I spent time digging deep into real clinical data, user reviews, and what dermatologists actually say about its formula, and the truth sits somewhere in the middle. The brand claims it reduces shedding, strengthens the scalp barrier, and visibly thickens hair shafts, but when you look closely, the visible improvement numbers they quote come from small internal studies, most without peer review or long-term testing. Many users report initial softness and cleaner scalps, but some mention increased dryness, slight irritation, or no change at all after a full month of use. It's powered by caffeine, biotin, and herbal extracts like ginseng and Houtuinia cordata, which sound impressive but have limited proven results for serious thinning. What really stood out was how heavily it leans on the word clinical, even though its studies are vague about duration and sample size. Classic marketing math. Price-wise, it's not cheap, and when you compare it to dermatologist-recommended brands like Neoxin or Kerastase, the cost-to-result ratio doesn't always hold up. Still, it's not a scam either. If your scalp is generally healthy and you're after mild volume and freshness, you might like it. But if you're expecting it to regrow or revive severely thinning hair, temper those expectations. Bottom line, Dr. Groot delivers a decent cleansing and strengthening experience, but not the miracle some TikTok reviews make it sound like. If you want to check it out for yourself, the product link is tagged in this video.